My lord, item number 15.
15.
15, my lord. 40, 41.
15.
40.
40, 41. Yes.
40, 41. 80, 81. And 89, my lord. Similar matters are pending before the
81, 89.
Yes.
80 and 81.
81 and 89, my lord.
Oh, not 80.
80, 81 and 89. My lord.
80,
Similar
81,
matters.
89.
Yes, my lord. Pending before the court number. Every circuit this happens, my lord. There are
Pending before the court number?
Court number 1. Analogous matter, my lord.
Oh, 1.
My lord, court number 1.
So I'm releasing
Yes,
this.
my lord. So that it can be taken up to me.
All these matters?
Yes,
40.
my lord. All these different setup, but they are pending. Other matters are pending before court number 1, my lord. Analogous matter.
Ashwin. Who is opposing you?
My lord, Mr. Chakravarti.
I have led by Mr. Chakravarti.
So you are accepting that similar issues
My
are
lord,
pending.
my lord.
Mr. Kumar Lan, advocate representing the petitioner, submits that identical issues
Yes.
that writ petitions involving identical issues are pending before the Honorable Justice, before Moushumi Bhattacharya J. Before Moushumi Bhattacharya J. To stop, in order to avoid conflict of judicial decisions, this matter stands released from the list of this bench. Parties will be at liberty to take appropriate steps. Upon notice to each other.
Same, Your Lordship, item number 103.
103.
Similar matter is there, item number 106 in court number
103.
103.
Same order. Mrs. Naget appears for the petitioner and submits same order. Identical issues.
Obliged.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer. I have a similar prayer with regard to item number 63 and 64. Lordship, these are ready for final hearing. There is a similar matter in item 69 in court 1.
60.
And Lordship, there are 63 and 64 of your Lordship's list.
All right. 63 and 64 also same orders. This is Mitchell.
I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful to you, Lordship.
But in all this matter, we have for the respondents, by
All right.
Mr. Chandra.
Separate orders for benefit. Yes.
I'm grateful to you, Lordship.
Yes, call the list.
Item 1, WPA 124. But, Mr. Aguras Kumar responded, this not today, not even.
What is this matter?
Petition. Private respondent, my senior is appearing. My prayer is. Private respondent, my senior is appearing. Formal prayer, I made a application before the Tehsildar, ex parte order was passed against me. For recalling that order, I have filed a proceeding before the Tehsildar. Tehsildar is not taking.
You are for the petitioner.
I for the petitioner.
And who you are for the?
I was a proxy counsel, not for respondent. Yes, not today, not is.
For which respondent?
Private respondent. For official respondent, he is appearing.
For official respondent, who is appearing?
Mr. Arun S. Kumar is appearing. Just a day's accommodation.
As paid for by the learned advocate for the.
Is also out of. I bring 1st of February. My serial is also available on 1st February.
As jointly paid by the learned advocates of the parties, list this matter on February 1, 2024. Next.
Item 06 of 2024.
I am withdrawing the civil.
You are
Withdrawing.
withdrawing. It has been submitted by the learned advocate for the petitioner that he has instructions not to press this application. First up, in view of such submission, CO 6 of 2024 stands dismissed as not pressed.
Get.
Next.
Your Lordship, my senior Miss A. Zinu is appearing for the petitioner and I'm praying for a short Passover.
Passover. Next.
Obliged. Same, Your Lordship, my senior is
Passover.
appearing for the petition. Obliged.
But I am for the respondent in this matter, my lord. My affidavit in opposition has been prepared, my lord. It's been filed today. So, my lord, I'll serve a copy upon Mr. Binu Kumar is for the petitioner. I guess he is on his legs before court number 1, my lord. But in this matter, interim order is there. That order is still tomorrow. So, my lord, I am praying that let this matter be made not today or fixed tomorrow, something.
Where is Mr. Kumar? Because he
He's
is
on
on the
his-
petitioner. If he
My
plays
lord,
for
he
an
is on his
interim
legs before court number
order,
1.
I'm passing it over. Let him
My-
come.
Or else my lord can set it tomorrow because I have to, anyhow, I have to serve him the copy of the affidavit in opposition. That is filed today only, opposition.
But liberty was given to pray for fresh interim order.
Fresh
That
interim
is-
order, because my
that is-
tricky question is over there. The interim order is
That is why
expired.
I'm passing it over. Ask Mr. Kumar to come in
My
his
lord.
presence. I can adjourn.
My lord, my lord.
Pass over next.
I can say WPA 48 of 2024. My senior is out of station 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm paying for 1st of February. This can be taken on 1st of February.
Yes, what is this matter? You are his junior. Yes, let me see. What is this matter? What is your instructions? Repairing and renovation work has been done.
Not having any instructions for that. This matter, 1st of February, this matter can be taken.
As paid by the learned advocates for the, as paid for by the learned advocate for the petitioner, list this matter on February 1, 2024. Next. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
Same matter, identical issues.
But 8 and 9, I am there. There are different sets of.
So
But 8
let
and
it be
9
called on one by one. 6, 1st of February. Yes, next. Same order as in 6.
But item 8 matter I am for the respondents matter. In this matter, item 8 and 9 matter, the fishery is rating better. So matter this in this matter on 18th January order was passed and 4 weeks time was granted for filing affidavit in opposition. Matter
That is yet to expire.
yet to expire on 15th February, matter that will expire. Matter.
The learned advocate appearing for the 8. The learned advocate appearing for the respondent administration submits that the time to file affidavit in opposition is yet to expire. First up, list this matter as directed by the order dated list this matter after list this matter as directed list this matter after expiry of the period fixed for exchange of affidavits by order dated January 18, 2024. This is also same order as in item number 8.
For the petitioner, service on respondent number 3 is not affected. Since we have sent through reports, the track report is not yet obtained. Let it be.
What is this matter? What are you praying?
But I am for 1 and 2 respondent number, but I
Who is the effective respondent?
3.
3 is the answering respondent.
The track report, let it be taken up day after tomorrow. We will be filing a bit of service and we will get it. Wrong person.
As paid for by the an accommodation has been paid for by the learned advocate for the petitioner. An accommodation has been paid for on the ground. The accommodation has been paid for by the learned advocate of the petitioner on the ground that service upon the respondent number 3 is not yet complete. First up, list this matter on 1st February. On February 1, 2024. Yes, next.
Item 11, WPA. No, service upon the official response. Paying for 1st of February. PBMC party.
The learned advocate for the petitioner submits that is service upon the respondents is not yet complete. Full stop. As paid for by the learned advocate for the petitioner, list this matter in the next week. Yes, next. Next week, Monday, Monday date for it. Yes,
Item 2, W84 and for the petitioner
yes,
can be disposed of, my lord.
yes.
Page 5 may be seen, my lord, prayer A. I lodged the complaint, my lord, they are not acting on the complaint. Page 5, prayer A may be seen,
Complaint of illegal construction.
my lord. Already there is a stay order. But they are not proceeding with it.
Yes,
I
you
was
are
telling
appearing for the,
respondent number 1 and 2, my lord. So far as private respondent,
They have to decide, my lord, after giving
Yes.
opportunity to all concerned. This order is passed, I am happy.
complaint is dated 19th of April 2023.
My lord. Prior to that, they issued the stay order.
Under the Port Blair Municipal Council building bylaws,
My lord.
who is the authority to decide?
The
secretary is the authority.
Secretary is the authority.
Within time frame, it can be decided. After giving opportunity to all concerned.
The Ashun. The petitioner alleges that the private respondent has made an illegal construction. Now, the private respondent have started. Respondent, only one respondent.
Only one, my lord.
Only one.
The
He
private
came out.
respondent number 3 has started illegal RCC construction without obtaining building plan from the without obtaining sanction of the building plan from the Port Blair Municipal Council. It appears from the record that a representation dated 19th of April 2023 was submitted to the Secretary, Port Blair Municipal Council, Port Blair. Good stuff. Since an allegation of illegal construction has been made, it would be no, it would be not. This court deems fit and proper that a direction upon the concerned authority to take a decision on such action, to take a decision on such representation would serve the interest of justice. First up, WP A 84 of 2024 is disposed of by directing the Secretary, Port Blair Municipal Council, Port Blair, being the second respondent, to consider the representation dated 19th of April 2023, and after causing inspection of the after causing inspection pass a reasoned order in accordance with law upon giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner, comma, the private respondent number 3 and / or their authorized representatives, and communicate such order to the parties immediately thereafter. First up, the entire exercise shall be completed as expeditiously as possible, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the receipt of a server copy of this order. Next.
My lord, in this matter, my senior is appearing for the petitioner. Let the matter be taken up tomorrow.
What is this matter? You are for the
For all the response.
yes.
But supervisor put out this 22, there was scarcity of water levels, so this connection has not been started. Now I talked to the officials, they can forward it can be done.
It can be done. So I'm disposing of directing
yeah.
them to take action. Where is your representation? Page 15. This is a receipt showing that deposit of the fees.
Providing water tank.
Where do I find that? Page 15. Yes. Where do I find it is for water? Yes. Bill dated. Yes, dated 1st of April 2022. This is the property tax. This is the property tax receipt. The earlier one is the.
But they have not even made that. They have not made any representation to provide electric, water connection. This is the property tax and next is the receipt of the.
No, without requiring the residence certificate from the ward councillor, that is their prayer. What is the requirement? What councillor's certificate is?
The particular village they are residing in particular.
But they want that. What is your instruction on that?
Actually, they have got.
Since you have taken tax from them, so
We are not straining for providing a water tank.
yes,
Insurance, but they have not enforced any document to show that they have applied.
yes,
If they have
Lord,
applied, then.
they have gone there for seeking the no objection from the councillor, but he has denied to give.
so that is a different thing altogether. But unless you make an application, how can it be? How can they give you connection? You have to first apply. There may be certain formalities. Where is your senior?
Senior is in actually Maya Bandargod. He is coming today.
He's
That's why-
coming.
Yes.
All right, pass over
My lord, let the matter be taken up tomorrow.
tomorrow,
Obliged.
as prayed for by the learned advocate for the petitioner.
They have to take instruction in that aspect.
Take instructions. You can. All matters cannot be fixed day after tomorrow. As paid for by the learned advocate for the petitioner, list this matter tomorrow. That is 31st of January 2020. So, next.
Obliged.
14, case 917 of 2023. But, it's going to be taken up on the first. Consider as a very important. Additional challenging and award passed by the labor. Petition has been filed.
Who is appearing for the petitioner?
So this consider as a. Philip Kumar is for the response.
All right. Not today, next.
WK9, 22
As paid for by the learned advocate for the petitioner. List this matter in the next week, on Monday করে দিন। Next Monday. Next Monday date টা দিয়ে দিন। List this matter. Monday date টা একেবারে দিয়ে দিন। List this matter on such and such. The next week on Monday না লিখে list this matter on such and such. Monday date টা দিয়ে দিন।
17 WK9 and 3 of 2023. Our paying on the behalf of the respondent number 6 member.
Yes.
Paying for not today.
Why? You are here. Yes. All matters cannot be adjourned in this manner.
My lord,
Yes.
in item number 17, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, in the last occasion, lordship, the coordinate bench of the honorable court has directed us to file a supplementary affidavit, lordship.
Yes. And this was
Lordship,
appear on the 1st of February.
lordship, that is the impediment, lordship.
All right.
Can it be fixed on 1st of February, lordship? By the time the advanced copy will be served and the supplementary affidavit will be filed, lordship.
As directed by the order dated January 10, 2024. Next.
Lordship, 17 and 18, lordship, similar matter, similar parties, lordship,
All
will be
right.
taken up on the
देखिए
1st of February, lordship.
directed order date বলা আছে। As directed by the order dated করা আছে। Next.
Item 18. WK
16, 17 same order. No, sorry.
Lordship, 17, 18.
18 এ ফাইলটা দেখি। Give the file of 18. No, 18 the not same order. Though it's the
Lordship, the order is, there is no such order of, as per the item number 17, lordship,
Yes.
but the matter is very much similar, lordship.
all right. List this matter on
Grateful, my lord, grateful.
this matter on February 1, 2024, as paid for by the learned advocate for the petitioner.
I'm so grateful, Your Honor. I'm so grateful. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item 19. WK 101. Lord, my senior is appearing for file number 182.
Yes. Who is appearing for the petitioner?
Sir. We require 1 week's time to file affidavit in opposition. Just 1 week.
Petitioner is not here. Making not today.
There will be a week's time to file the opposition. Exponent 1 and 2 required to file the affidavit.
All right.
It's almost ready. We require 1 week's time because it's coming on the.
Acha. None appears for the petitioner at the time of call. First of no accommodation has been sought for either. First up, the learned advocate appearing for the High Court administration prays for extension of time to file affidavit in opposition. First up, time to file affidavit in opposition is extended by
Can be 11.
be extended is extended.
My lord, I am asking for the petition.
Yes,
My lord, it was extended earlier also.
yes. What do you say?
Yes, madam. I'm accepting the
You
fact.
did not say that.
No, no. This accepted fact was extended previously also. We require one visa. So it's coming all the way forward.
আচ্ছা তাহলে ওটা কেটে দিন, ওই নন অ্যাপিয়ার্স ওইটা কেটে দিন, পুরোটাই কেটে দেবেন, ঠিক আছে দিন। The learned advocate representing the High Court administration prays for extension of time to file the affidavit in opposition. Such prayer is opposed by Mr. Kumar, learned advocate representing the petitioner. He submits that on earlier occasions, time to file affidavit in opposition was also extended. First up, however, considering the submissions of the learned advocates for the parties, comma, time to file affidavit in opposition is extended till 7th of February 2024 as a last chance. First up, affidavit in reply be filed within a week thereafter. First up, list this matter immediately after expiry of the time fixed for exchange of affidavits. Next,
And 20 doesn't be a 109 for 20. That is 22 the respondent. The lordship, I have for the petitioner.
yes,
Selecting the matter, the lordship, the petitioner is encroacher.
yes, you are for the,
Respondents. The repetition, they are not applied to the authority. This is an offline application. Their contention was the authorities are not accepting the offline.
yes,
What I request at the file of representation to consider in accordance with the.
unless you apply, how can that be affected?
So that's applied for offline application. Not having the endorsement is there to that.
Offline application you have made, where is that?
Page number 71.
No, offline applications you are accepting.
That's why.
No, offline applications you are accepting.
But if there is no server, because online application has to be uploaded. In certain areas which has not been there on the server, then they have to go for an offline application.
Yes, where is your
That's the page number 7.
17? Where is the evidence to show that it was submitted?
Finally, offline application, but they are not listed. That's all.
Electricity Act 1910 is not there now. It has been repealed. So one thing, you submit a copy of this application along with the order, they will consider. Ashwin. Where is the, in which property, where is that? 248 by P at Hatidera, Hut Bay. Petitioner claims to be an occupier of a piece of government revenue land bearing survey number 248/P, P for Patna, measuring an area of about 50 square meters at Hatidera, Hut Bay, Hatti, Hathi, Dera, Dera, Hut Bay Revenue Village under Little Andaman Tehsil in South Andaman district of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. First up, the petitioner claims to be residing in the said property along with his family members by constructing a dwelling house. First up, paragraph. The petitioner claims to have submitted an application for supply of electricity before the Andaman and Nicobar Administration Electricity Department. First up, a copy of such application has been annexed at page 17 of the writ petition. First up, the grievance of the petitioner is that the Electricity Department of the Andaman and Nicobar Administration have not taken any steps pursuant to the application submitted by the petitioner for supply of electricity. Paragraph. The learned advocate appearing for the respondents submits that the petitioner has not submitted any application before the concerned authority. Paragraph. After going through the document annexed at page 17 of the writ petition, না ওটা কেটে দিয়ে লিখুন হ্যাঁ মানে ওইটুকু upon going হ্যাঁ ওইটুকু হ্যাঁ on a query of the court as to whether the petitioner on a query of the court as to whether there is the petitioner on a query of the court as to whether there is any evidence in support of the claim of the petitioner that such application has been submitted before the respondent authority, the petitioner, the learned advocate for the petitioner could not satisfy this court in that regard. First up, in view thereof, WPA 1029 of 2023 is disposed of by giving liberty to the petitioner to submit the copy of the application which is annexed at page 17 of the writ petition along with a copy of this order before the executive engineer, no, before the assistant engineer. Respondent number 3, before the assistant engineer, electricity department, HUN'BLE, Little Andamans, being the respondent number 3 herein. And if such, and upon submission of the copy of this application, the HUD respondent shall take steps in accordance with the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003. Disposed of bullets kya aage? With the above observations and directions, WPA 1029 of 2023 stands disposed of. Now, bolechi, দেখুন তো is disposed of by giving liberty বলে বলেছি না? বলেছে, তাহলে last line টা কেটে দিন। অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করে দিন, ওটা যেটা বললাম, হ্যাঁ, with the above observations and directions, last line টা কেটে দিন। আর ওই যেখানটা লিখেছি না, ওখানটা পড়ুন, WPA নাম্বার, তার উপরে প্যারাগ্রাফটা, WPA নাম্বার such and such is disposed of বলে যেটা লিখলাম। Liberty. Along with it, না, তার আগে লিখুন, copy of the application together with, না, হ্যাঁ, which is together with লিখুন, together with the annexures thereto, along with a copy of this, together with the thereto. No, copy of the application which is annexed at page 17, together with the copy of the annexures there. Together with the, তারপরে along with the copy of this order. আচ্ছা, তারপরে ওটা যেটা বললাম না, কত দিনের মধ্যে বলেছি, and upon such application being submitted, the respondent number 3 shall
and after submission of the copy, and this application, the hard respondent take steps in accordance with the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003.
2003, as expeditiously as possible, but positively within a period of 4 weeks from the receipt of the copy of the documents as directed by this order. Yes, next.
Item 21, my senior, Mr. Kumar is appearing for the petition.
Yes, yes.
Court number 1.
You are his junior. You start, he will be joining you.
Malad, I am for the respondent, Malad, I am shouting, I am praying for an accommodation, Malad, to file my affidavit in opposition, Malad, because earlier time was granted, however, Malad, it's not been prepared, Malad. So, Malad, I am just.
Time was granted, it is yet to expire. Acha, likun.
But yet to expire, that, Malad, I does not remember that I have to.
Yes, let affidavit in opposition, 9th of January, it was said 4 weeks.
So, Malad, it's not
So it has not yet expired. Ashun. Ashun. The learned advocate appearing for the respondent submits that the time to file the affidavit in opposition as directed by the order dated January 9, 2024, dated 9/2024, is yet to expire. Gustav, list this matter as directed by the order dated January 9, 2024. After No. No, as directed, all right, not after. Yes. Nine. Take. Yes, call the next matter.
My lordship, let the matter may be fixed next week.
An accommodation has been prayed for on the ground of Mr. Misro, Mr. S.C. Misro, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. What's up? As prayed for by the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. List this matter. Yes. On February 5, 2024. যেটা বললাম না এসসি মিশ্র লার্নেড আর্গুইং কাউন্সিল ফর দ্য পিটিশনার আর্গুইং কাউন্সিল প্রথমে লিখলাম কি প্রথম লাইনটা বলুন অন দ্য গ্রাউন্ড অফ মিস্টার লার্নেড আর্গুইং কাউন্সিল করে yes next
Complaint the last one caused by coordinate failure, we find evidence of service. Stated service has been affected upon the opposite party.
you are for the yes you are for the Yes, who is appearing for the petitioner? What is the name of your senior? Yes, and you are appearing for?
For the response. Okay, the Makalat number by the course of the day, I have not submitted yet. There is.
uh, The learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the copy of the application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India has been served upon the opposite party. Full stop. The opposite party is represented by its learned advocate. Full stop. As prayed for by the learned advocate for the petitioner. List this matter. List this matter on February 1, 2024. Yes, next.
My lord, my senior Ajay Mandal is appearing for the voting number.
Who is appearing?
Ajay Mandal.
Yes. What is the application for? Yes. Order 9, Rule 13. Why second appeal? Second appeal was allowed. Can for?
Party was not heard by this.
What is the ground in Order 9, Rule 13? Why you were not present? Yes, who is appearing? Mr. Joypal. First, as prayed for by the learned advocate for the petitioner. As prayed for by the learned advocate for the petitioner in Can 1 of 2023. List this matter on February 1, 2024. Yes. Yes, what is the application for?
Praying for the stay of the judgment.
Praying for the stay of the judgment. What is the nature of the decree?
Degree is, my lord, they filed a suit.
Yes, what is the decree for?
Degree for that the bill is valid, legally valid. The bill executed by the
Will is valid.
valid. They prayed for
Yes.
the suit. The suit was dismissed. They filed the first appeal, and the first appeal order has been passed rejecting that allowing that
Affirming the
no
reversing the
reversing
judgment.
judgment of trial court. Against which we filed the second appeal, and we filed application that the Tahsildar is taking step to mutate the land after the judgment. We filed application to stay. That the Tahsildar should not take any step for mutation of the land in view of the judgment passed by the first appellate court.
Yes, what do you say?
As of now, the petitioner ought to submit the paper.
No, that is
That
the
is
paper
right.
book is for hearing of the appeal. But what is the submission with regard to the prayer for interim order?
In that regard, I have no instruction. My senior will be
submitting for the same. Let me for pass over. Let me pass.
Who is your senior?
Anjali ma'am. Yes, Anjali.
So you are already protected
Yes, yes, already order.
by an order of injunction
Yes, yes, yes. it is there.
till the disposal of the
Yes,
application.
yes. Already protected.
But the application is to be disposed of.
Yes, yes.
Where is this Nag?
She is on like before the court moment.
But they have not filed any objection to my application till date.
All right, pass over, ask her to come.
Okay.
Yes, next, pass over.
Well, in this, the electricity connection matter, it was rejected on the ground that the premise has already two connections are there. We will filing a short reply. The copy is handed over to the department. Within next 2 days, we will be able to file the affidavit in opposition.
Now, what is the writ petition about?
Correct, providing electricity connection.
Yes,
It was rejected on the ground that on the building consists of 3 rooms. And in 2 rooms, there is already connection is there.
yes.
That's why the
2 rooms are occupied by whom? You are appearing for the respondent.
we both are appearing for the respondent.
Oh, you both are appearing for the respondent,
Well,
yes.
Mother, father,
Who is for the petitioner?
just a minute. You protest me.
Where is he?
3 rooms, one is in the name of mother connection, one is in the name of father, and she is the daughter. So in a building, there is many rooms, 3-4 rooms. All the rooms should be provided. This is not law. The building should be there. There should be electricity. They should not be deprived of that. But it does not mean that they will create 10 rooms in every room. They will file a separate in the name of every member of the family. I have prepared the affidavit in opposition. It has given to the department within next 2
No,
days.
not the opposition.
My lord.
You are directed to file a short report in the form of an affidavit.
Ji.
Not an
This
affidavit in
is
opposition.
what. This is fine.
When can you file that?
Within next 3 days, my lord. Copies are handed over to the
So I'm,
department.
fixing it on 5th of February.
So kind.
None appears
My-
for the petitioner at the time of call. No accommodation has been sought for either. Full stop. The learned advocate for the respondent press for extension of time to file the report in the form of an affidavit as directed by the order dated January 10, 2024. Full stop. Let the report in the form of an affidavit be filed on or before the next date of hearing upon serving a copy of the same. On or before the next date of hearing. On or before na. Be filed upon serving a copy of the same to the learned advocate for the petitioner in advance.
Evening.
First,
Evening.
list this matter on 5th of February 2020.
Yeah.
Yes, Ms. Yes. Where is your other side?
Yes, passed over matter,
Yes, Passover matter.
Because I have been, Your Lordship, for the disposal of the main matter, because the interim order was already passed till the disposal of the
But
case.
yes, interim order
That
was
is the
already
reason
passed.
I did not file any objection. I thought of filing the paper book and get the matter
All
heard.
right, so the application is to be disposed of because the interim order was still.
Why they are not filing the paper book, Your Lordship? Since the
Yes,
beginning,
when you see last
I
order-
have been insisting for the filing of the paper book.
Come only last circuit, when you see the order.
But paper book could have been filed, Your Lordship. They don't have the
Order
papers.
not file paper.
What is this,
There
Your
is
Lordship?
no
Just
order.
to delay the matter. It is the only, if the interim order, now if
No,
the
which order
application
you
is.
want the court to look at? Which order?
Because last order, an order has been passed
Last order, none appears for the appellants.
prior to that. An order has been passed to bring the order records from the lower court, from Maya Bandar. Specific direction has been issued to the registrar to communicate the order. The record has not yet come.
That doesn't mean that they can't file the paper book.
Thereafter, the record has come now. Now we have to prepare the paper book.
Let them file it by Monday so that the matter can be heard. Once the application is disposed of, Your Lordship, this matter will never be heard.
No, Bosun. What documents are to be filed in the paper book of a second appeal? What are the documents?
Judgments, degree of the trial court and first appellate court's judgment and degree.
Yes.
And
And
the grounds, memorandum.
so you don't have that copy.
I have.
So what prevented you from filing the paper book?
You
You have filed the memorandum of appeal with those documents.
Yes.
So this be a ground
No, that's
that
not a
since
ground.
the lower court records have not come, I could not file a paper
No, that
book.
is not the, see,
So
the evidence has not come, my lord. Evidence is.
that is a different thing, but for that, filing of paper books cannot
No,
be.
that is not a bar. That is not a bar.
So that is why you have said, since the records have
No,
not
I'm
come,
submitting.
we could not
Because
file the paper
Court
book.
will see the evidence also, no, only not the judgments and degree.
For the paper book,
No, not paper book.
I'm asking you what prevented you from filing the paper book?
Can is
The
pending,
court
my
will
lord.
consider whether the
Because
appeal can be heard without.
Can
this.
is pending. I cannot file. Can is pending. Can is not be
What
disposed
is
of.
that?
Can, all right, I will dispose it of the can today itself.
Yes.
How soon can you file the paper book?
A week time.
Not a week's time. File it by Monday.
Your Lordship.
Only
I
will
have
be
no
annexing,
issues
all those are documents in the memorandum of appeal. Otherwise, I will be dispensing with the filing of the paper book and take up because all those documents are in the
Already.
memorandum of appeal. Do it by Monday.
Sometime time.
Why? What? But only will be xeroxing the copies. It is a matter you can file it by tomorrow itself.
Yes, Your
So
Lordship.
3 days time may be given. 3 days.
When I was there, I've prepared the paper books. These are the only documents. Decree is also not required. Go through the appellate side rules. Only the judgments of both the courts below and the memorandum of appeal and the order admitting appeal.
Second appeal.
So all these are before you, with you. File it by Monday.
Your Lordship.
But order is not with me. Admitting the appeal. I have to obtain.
It's not available in
uploaded.
the.
It's
It's not
uploaded.
available
What
in the
you're saying?
website.
It's there available, Your Lordship. I have the copy.
What prevented you from obtaining a certified copy of this
uploaded.
order?
Okay.
You have chosen not to. And this order, this appeal was admitted long time back. When it was admitted,
Long back.
Long back, Your Lordship. I have been insisting for the hearing of the matter, but they are not
But they
filing the
took
paper.
time for filing objection.
No,
Can you
no,
see the
no,
order
no, no.
sheets? Can you see the order sheets? They took time.
I don't think I have taken time.
These
I
are
have been
the-
insisting for the filing of the paper book, for the final hearing of the matter.
They took time for filing
Because
objection.
once
for
interim
making an
order has been
application.
granted, Your Lordship, there is no meaning in contesting that application.
oh, I was a part of the division bench admitting the appeal. July 21, 2022.
Going to be 2 years.
Almost 2 years. Ashun. Can order করুন? Can 1 of 2022. This is an application for restraining the opposite party numbers 1 and 2 and their agents and employees from changing the nature and character of the suit property, by transferring the property in the suit to third party suit to third parties and for a further direction to maintain status quo with regard to the possession till the disposal of the appeal. It appears from the record, now it is evident from the record that the appeal was admitted on July 21, 2022. What's up? On the said date, on the said date, an interim order was passed to the following effect. বলে এই এটা কোট করবেন ডাবল ইনভার্টেড কমা the parties are also hereby restrained from changing. আমি টিক মার্ক মেরে দিলাম পেন্সিলে, এটা মুছে দেবেন পরে, ঠিক আছে? Mrs. Nag, learned advocate, represents the respondent and submits that she is not willing to file any opposition to the application. She, however, prays that the hearing of the appeal be expedited. Since the interim order is subsisting from July 21, 2022, comma, the same is made absolute till the disposal of the appeal. The appellant is directed to file the paper book on or before February 5, 2024, and serve a copy of the same upon the learned advocate for the respondent. Full stop. Records have arrived.
Your Lordship, I heard that records have arrived.
Records are here. Have you checked up that the records are complete? There's an endorsement to that effect. No, this has arrived. Where is the endorsement that it has been inspected? No. The office superintendent is directed to submit a report as to whether the LCR is complete. There are no other respondents. You are representing all the respondents. You have filed your Vakalatnama.
Your Lordship.
Uh,
Earlier itself, I have filed, Your Lordship. I filed it at the beginning itself.
আচ্ছা কি বললাম? On the next date of hearing. First up, list this matter. under the heading hearing on February 6, 2024. Full stop. Ayatটা লিখুন। It has been submitted by Mrs. Nag that the who has filed, you have filed or your junior has filed the Vakalatnama?
I have filed, Your Lordship.
That she has filed the Vakalatnama and therefore the appeal is ready as regards service by way of appearance.
Your Lordship, one more submission of mine,
Yes.
Your Lordship, that I submit, Your Lordship, that the suit property is in my possession. This is my submission. That may be recorded.
Possession, Mrs. Nag,
Sometimes what happens, Your Lordship, taking advantage of this particular order, they enter into the premises. It happens, Your Lordship. That's why my submission may be recorded.
Not any observation, recording of observation today may give a different meaning because the possession status quo that has been
But
passed
at
has been passed.
At that time, I did not appear.
Yes, that is why. So that has been, if we are in possession as on that date, it continues.
Your Lordship.
Otherwise, making some recording certain things today may be a
I
difficult
understood, Your
thing.
Lordship. Obliged.
Yes, this is not only one thing. There was one matter. You are representing the High Court administration.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So why have you not filed the opposition?
Your Lordship, it's almost ready. So it can be fixed on 6th
This is
itself.
not since it's the High Court administration, it pains us.
Yes, already
Court
ready.
administration-
Everything is ready. It has gone to the High Court for vetting. I have told them that tomorrow I want it so that within this week itself I'll file it.
Kindly ensure, since
Yes,
it's
yes.
a matter with regard to the High Court administration,
Sure, Your
the
Lordship.
time limit should have to be followed.
Within this week, it will be filed, Your Lordship.
Yes, I think I have extended the time. So ensure that it is ready by the
Your Lordship, it will be done. Obliged.
other respondents, yes, but not
Yes.
the High Court administration.
Yes.
Yes. Can is disposed of. This is not can is disposed of in the earlier matter.
Yes.
This matter. Yes. Any other matter where both sides are ready?
The second appeal is there pending for a long time, right? That I wanted to mention. Just a minute.
Who is opposing you? You are for the,
I am for the appellant, Your Lordship. This is item number 36 and 37, senior citizen, Your Lordship.
what is this? Who is opposing you?
Mr. Tabriz is there, Your Lordship. Because this
This is
matter
not-
is pending for a long time. Your
Now,
Lordship.
how the first appeal is appearing before the single bench, item number 56. এটা দেখুন এটা first appeal কিনা? Yes, kindly check up.
First
Item
appeal.
number 56, first appeal cannot be before a single bench.
Your Lordship, even
Can
I
you
don't
check
know
up
what
if
is
it
the
is-
nature of this matter. I don't know what is the nature of that matter.
No, no, not, I'm not asking you because you are not
Your Lordship,
appearing.
yes, yes.
No, I've just now,
Seen that. yes.
yes, I've seen, I'm asking my officers to 56, kindly check up if it is a first appeal. So it cannot be before a single bench. Put it under the heading to be mentioned tomorrow. If it is a first appeal, I will direct this to be placed before the, yes.
So
Mrs.
some
Nag,
second appeals can be disposed of. It's a long pending matter.
which
Item
item?
number 36, 37, Your Lordship.
36, in both the matters, Mr. Tabrez is
Yes,
opposing you.
yes, Your Lordship.
Where is? What is the decree?
Your Lordship, eviction decree, Your Lordship.
Eviction
yes.
decree,
Judgment of reversal.
judgment of reversal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, the first appellate court decreed the suit. No,
No.
the trial
Trial
court
court decreed the
suit.
suit. First appellate court reversed.
it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you are for the landlord.
Your Lordship. Because there is a difference between the West Bengal Tenancy Act, Your Lordship, and the rent control regulation here. So far as bona fide requirement is concerned, the concept is completely different in the under both the acts. So the appellate court has applied the actually the
Principles of West Bengal premises tenancy act.
that is that it
I
was
can
actually
take up if both of you are ready. When you can, I can,
tomorrow. it
both
can
of
be
you agrees and the time is
fixed.
fixed.
Your
I
Lordship,
can-
tomorrow in the afternoon at 2 o'clock it can be fixed. So
2
that
o'clock.
yes, 2 or 2:30, Your Lordship.
Yes, I can fix because how much time is not because only thing you have to make a concise argument.
Yes,
Otherwise,
I
because if you're laying the argument,
lengthy
stuff,
argument, your lordship.
difficult to take up and dispose of an
No, lengthy
activity.
argument is not required, your lordship, in this case.
No, where is Mr. Brage? Where is he?
He left, my lord, he left. Some
Yes.
urgent call is.
Oh, he has left.
So 2:30 it can be fixed tomorrow, your
So if
lordship.
both of you agree that short argument. will
Short
be there,
argument will be there, your lordship. अच्छा, तो एक काम करते हैं ना, single bench का, ठीक है. Your lordship, what he is suggesting is, let it be in the top of the list, in the single bench, it can be taken up.
Top of the list is nice difficulty because motions have to be given a priority. So because if a hearing is taken up, it will continue, the motions will affect. Immediately after the motions, I can take it up. And after two, all of you, most of you may have difficulties, but if the arguing councils, as Mr. Kumar has said in the division bench, that if both of you agree, yes, it can be taken up.
Your lordship.
So
Should
I think both of you, there may not be any problem if both of you continue.
Let it be
after
fixed
two.
tomorrow, your lordship. Let it be there in the list tomorrow.
Yes.
I will speak to him and then we can proceed with the matter after 2:30.
Yes, I'm making a note of this.
Your lordship.
So you mentioned tomorrow, if it is there, subject to convenience, after two, if both of you agree, it can be taken up.
Your lordship.
It's not necessary that it is to be fixed. So only, where is that regulation act? Do I have a copy of that?
I'll provide, your lordship.
No,
I'll provide by
is it
today.
here?
It will be here.
Rent-
3 to 4 pages.
Rent regulation,
Rent control. 960.
it is in courtroom number. Why only one copy is available? Courtroom number 1 may also, in the library, it is not available. Can you check up so that, do you have an extra copy of
Yes, yes,
that?
I will be providing it.
Oh, this is.
I'll provide, your lordship.
My lord, one password matter is there.
Possible, yes. What is, which item?
Item number 2 and 3.
2 and 3, yes.
Sorry, 3 and 4, your lordship.
3 and 4,
K. Abdul Rahman versus Alauddin.
yes.
I'm appearing for the review.
3 and 4, yes, Mr. Kumar.
No, my lord, I am appearing in item number 5, my lord.
In item number
5.
5, all right.
Password matter.
2 and 3, who is appearing?
Not
No.
2, 3. I'm 3 and 4.
3 and 4, who is appearing?
I'm appearing, your lordship.
Yes.
For
For the,
Abdul Rahman.
for the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
And
I
who is
will
for
appear-
the
I will
opposite
appear
party?
for the opposite party.
Yes, yes,
Civil revision, your lordship.
yes.
The other side has filed an application before the trial court under 151 CPC, seeking that I'm obstructing his business by way of parking my car. So the honorable court, without calling for any commissioner's report, has decided saying that his business has been hampered. Therefore, I am not permitted to park the car. Now, my difficulty is that particular area was earmarked for parking my car. Now, I have been asked to place my car in the road and fine is been imposed upon me. I, being the owner, is suffering for
Who has imposed the fine?
the traffic. Andaman Nicobar police traffic.
So in view of this restraint order,
Yes, I am forced to park the car in the road. This is earmark. I am the owner. Where I park my car. The learned trial court, without going into the question whether that is at all is hampering the business of the person concerned, has decided it without calling for any commissioner's report. Now, where I park my car? I am the owner, and it is not that I am parking the car only for the purpose.
Yes,
of
what do you
obstructing
say?
him.
Complete order is not given to me.
complete order, yes. My copy is also not complete.
Yes.
Complete.
No, check up my copy. Check up my copy. Show it to her. It's not a complete copy.
Complete order is not there, my lord. Page 32, after page 33, but first part of the order is not there.
Yes, yes, yes. My copy is also.
52.
You- Pagination is correct, but.
But
what did you
pagination,
see?
you cannot paginate the certified copy. Original certified copy cannot be paginated. No, that is a different thing, but the entire order sheet is not there. Something is there at the beginning.
Yes, your lordship is absolutely right. I don't know what they have done.
You are having a,
Yes, I am having.
but where is the original certified copy, that part?
Lordship, let it be taken up tomorrow. I'll inquire from my clerk.
All right.
What he did.
All right, I'm making it not today. I'm not recording any formal order. Yes, next. Not today. Yes, next.
Very innocuous prayer, your lordship. Here, your lordship, by mistake.
For who is appearing?
I am waiting for the petitioner. I don't know.
Who is for the respondent?
Respondent normally, Tatu appears for the deputy commissioner and Tehsildar.
मेरे शिवपाल also happy, मेरे Shatazu Chakwa is both happy. We don't have copy of.
Very innocuous prayer. A wrong entry has been made in the record of rights of mines. Your lordship will find same similar survey number has been recorded in my name as
You have
well.
made a representation.
I made a representation.
Where is that?
That appears.
Page 24.
24.
Yes, what do you
So
say?
that we might, that representation we can.
Consider within a time frame.
Yes.
Copy में दे दूंगी xerox करके आपको.
Which is the property?
Yes, the survey number.
You have got that by virtue of a will.
By way of a will. My name appears at page, your lordship will find same similar survey number, there are two record of rights. Page 20 may be seen, your lordship.
20.
Yes.
Yes.
Down below, Raja Padmakar Rao, 2534/4. Area 0.02.
2534, yes.
34/4.
Yes.
Area is 0.0233 hectares.
Yes.
Then your lordship may kindly come to page 22. Mukesh Lal.
Yes.
Mukesh Lal, 2534/4. Area 0.0233.
19. But I think this change has been made subsequently.
Yes.
Because yours is on 2019.
Yes.
Thereafter, same area.
Same area. Let them justify how they have entered. And
If-
this person is not known to me. I don't know who is he.
So you have implemented him? No.
I don't have his whereabouts.
Ashwin. The petitioner claims that he has got the landed property bearing survey number 2534/4, an area measuring about 0.0233 hectares, which is classified as house site at South Point Village under Port Blair Tehsil in the South Andaman district by virtue of a registered will executed by one Sri Ramarao, since deceased. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner. The petitioner alleges that though the name of the petitioner was duly recorded in the land records in respect of the said property, but subsequently the name of one
Mukesh Lal, page 22.
name of one Mukesh Lal has been recorded in the land records in respect of the same property. The petitioner submitted a representation dated 29th of No, 23rd. What is the date?
23rd of September.
23rd of September 2022. Praying for correction of record of rights. Full stop. The paragraph. The grievance of the petitioner is that till date, the concerned Tehsildar has not taken any decision on the prayer of the petition. First step. In view thereof, WPS 17 of 2024 is disposed of by requesting the Tehsildar, Port Blair Tehsil, being the second respondent in this writ petition, to consider the representation dated 23rd of September 2022, which is annexed at page 24 of the writ petition, and dispose of the same by passing a reasoned order after giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner as well as the person, as well as Sri Mukesh Lal.
If appears.
If my lord necessary,
If
if
necessary.
there is
Maybe a
correction,
wrong
then.
entry.
No, to take upon giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and or any other interested person, as the said respondent may deem fit and proper, in order to arrive at a reasoned decision. First up, such reasoned order is to be communicated to the petitioner immediately thereafter. First of the entire exercise shall be completed within a period of, shall be completed as expeditiously as possible, but positively within a period of
8 weeks, my lord.
make it 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of a server copy of this order.
Much obliged.
Great.
Petitioner will be obliged to serve a copy of this application again along with the
Again,
copy, otherwise they will shall be obliged to serve a copy of the application for correct application dated 23rd September 2022, which is appearing at page 24 of the writ petition, along with page 24 of the writ petition, along with the copy of this order.
Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, on 17th of January 2024, this court has passed an interim order, my lord. And my lord, this interim order is in existence till 31st of January, my lord. And there was a direction upon them to file affidavit in opposition.
But
Yes.
maybe in opposition, where we have filed today, but I'm serving for.
Yes, he said he prayed for an time that he will be serving today.
Yes.
But since I have seen that order, that is why
My
I have when tomorrow it can be taken up.
My lord, this is opposition. If my lord, Monday it may be. I will use my reply Monday for hearing, my lord. And
So
my lord,
the interim order is being extended.
and my lord, one more thing. Let the matter appear tomorrow, because my lord, I find that in the order there was a direction upon me to serve the private respondent and to file an affidavit. I have effected service upon the private respondent, but I will file an affidavit to that extent.
So I'm keeping it tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
I'm
my lord.
keeping
No
it
other
only
issue.
not today.
My lord,
I'm not passing any
My lord.
formal orders.
my lord.
But AO have served.
My lord.
Acha, একটা order record করে দিন।
Yes, yes.
AO has been filed today.
Filed today, my lord. They have filed in the department today.
Affidavit in opposition filed in court today is taken on record. A copy of the affidavit in opposition has been served upon Mr. Binnu Kumar, learned advocate, appearing for the petition.
My lord.
First up, list this matter tomorrow under the same heading.
My lord.
The petitioner shall file.
No, my lord, please don't record it, my lord. I will file it, my lord,
Alright.
because it's my mistake, my lord. All it is.
Huh? No, petitioner shall file, no, release this matter tomorrow. Court.